Alright, so in this video we're going to be removing the front bumper. This is a 22 GR86. Alright, so we're going to start off from the top. So you're going to have some 10mm bolts. Then you're going to have some of these clips. This piece comes out. Just make sure it's loose. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the driver's side. You would just turn the wheels out so you could access these clips, and it would be better to raise your car as well. You just pop the center out and then you pull out the whole clip. So some of them come out easily, the other ones they get stuck inside. Alright, so we're on the passenger side now. Alright, now we're in the wheel wells. So you press on this one, it pops in, then you just take it out. Make sure it's all unhooked. Unplug the light. So passenger side, same thing. Plug the hazard light. Alright, we missed one of the clips on the bottom. Okay, it's really popping out. Okay, so it's holding it right here. I think we missed a clip on the bottom. Yeah, we missed a clip on the bottom, so just pay attention to the clips. So that's it. It's super easy on the front bumper. Very basic. So it clips on to these brackets. And if you're replacing these, usually get the dealer stuff, don't buy the aftermarket stuff. It's not gonna sit nice. And this is what it is without the bumper.